Hello everyone! As you know, we're now uploading an educational episode, a craft related to that episode, and an educational resource that you can download. Today we're going to show you how to make this beautiful butterfly that can move its wings. Today we make a flying butterfly with a Gato rainbow and a Gata moon. For this craft we're going to need 2 straws, we used paper ones, white card, scissors, glue, tape, glitter, and I almost forgot, markers. So to begin, we're going to fold our paper and we're going to cut half of a butterfly. That way it's going to be perfectly symmetrical. Look. And now we're going to fold the middle part again. Like this. And now you can decorate it however you want. You can be as creative as you like. I wanted to make mine like a rainbow and Gata moon's butterfly, but you can use the colors and the designs that you like. And now I'm going to add a little bit of glitter. Well, actually a lot of glitter. Don't forget to subscribe if you like our videos. It helps us a lot to create more content for you. And I also wanted to have glitter in the little dots. So I'm putting more glue and more glitter. As I said, my butterfly is gonna glow so much. Okay, and for the mechanism that's going to make the wings move, we're going to cut one of the straws, but we're gonna leave a little bit of room in the end. This much. And now we'll take the other one, and we're going to do the same, but we're going to cut half as much as the other one. And now we're going to do this, so one part fits into the other one and it's thinner, you'll see why. We have to put it through the other straw. Now, this may be easier if you have 2 kinds of straws, and one is wider than the other one, but I wanted to show you that it's possible to make it even if you have 2 straws that are the same. And now we're going to tape the short part here and the longer part to the wing. And we'll do the same on the other side. Perfect. And before I show you how it looks, remember that you can download this worksheet for free from our website. And now look how it turned out. It can move its wings and it's so much fun to play with. It looks so cool. We hope you liked it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out the rest of the videos on our channel. We hope you like them too. See you next week. Bye!